Thank you all for coming. Thank you guys. Thank you. Okay, let's go. 1, 2, 3.
Cheers!
Yay!
For my dad. Oh, yeah, I know. Okay. Someone video me.
All right.
Video, okay?
Yeah. Next to your dad.
So, Dad, I just want to say congratulations on your retirement.
Thank you.
You were a very hard worker and provider for this family. Myself, I'm jealous. I have like 30 more years to go. And I'm sure everyone else here, if you're not retired, you're probably a little jealous also. But you're almost there.
Almost there. Yeah.
So, Dad, thank you for all your hard work and providing for this family. You came here to America. You worked hard. As a cook at a hotel, your schedule was very different. You didn't have a normal schedule. But you made it your best to come to every family gathering. And even growing up, you made it to Kuya's softball games. You made it to most of my dance performances, even if it was like an hour away after work. You're a very good dad. You're a great husband to Mom.
Thank you.
You come home, and even if you wake up at 6 a.m. to go to work,
I do my best.
even if you wake up at 6 a.m. and come home, I see you, sometimes you go straight to Mom and you help her fold the laundry, wash the dishes, you start cooking us dinner, and that's amazing. I know maybe some guys would just say, hey, I need a break, I want to go take a nap, but I see you, I notice it, and that's so loving, and for that, really don't doubt yourself. You've been a good dad and you've been a good husband.
Thank you.
And I want to say thank you to all the friends and family that have come. We might not be super rich, but as you know, money doesn't matter. It's all the friends and family that are here today. It's the memories that will last, and the people that we have beside us. So congrats on your retirement. I love you, and I hope everyone has a good time, and thank you again for coming. I really love the support, and I love that everyone dressed up. So let's party!
Yeah!
Of high school at the time, and my very first job was what we used to now probably remember as Robinsons, and I get introduced to Lowell, and the first word that I think, and I don't even remember because I do speak Tagalog, but his first word to me was Yawada. Remember that, Barry? Yeah. But anyway, Lowell has always been a friend to me. And we're talking about 1981, fresh out of high school. I was going to college at the time, and Lowell put me under his wing. And my first job, Lowell was the chef, and I was a dishwasher at the time. And he taught me how to cook, and we had fun cooking. And during those times that I had to study and I had to do my homework, he covered for me. And I cannot think of any better friend than my brother. I'm going to call you brother because you're my brother. Buddy. Always has been and always will be. Unfortunately, one of our buddies, Roy or Ramon's not here. We were kind of like the three amigos at the time. We used to go anywhere, everywhere. And this was before Selly. Yes, I do remember him saying one time that I'm gonna go home for about a month and I'm gonna marry somebody. I said, good luck. And a month later, he came back with Sally at one of those years. And I think at that time I was already at the hotel when you brought Sally.
Right.
Lowell's family and my family had been since 1981. Since I've known Lowell, had been friends forever. And all these years, one of the things that I can probably say, and those who know Lowell and who had been around my buddy, he says what's in his heart. He says what's in his guts. He never mince words. He tell you what it is, but he also lived and still does. He lives for the moment. He does talk about the future. We always talk about the things that he wanted to do, that we wanted to inculcate upon each other, but he had always lived for the moment. And that's one of the things that I had always admired about my buddy. And throughout these years, I wanted to say to you that I have been so blessed. I have been so lucky. My family and my wife, Alexandra, and my wife who passed away a long time ago, that you had been friends with, Claudia. We had been so blessed and so lucky to have known you, buddy. I love you very much. I always will.
Family.
Oh, yay! This is a very special night for my brother, and I know that he has been a very good brother, a very good father and husband and friend. Lowell is, when he was born, he was very sick, and we never thought that he would make it. But I give credit to my mother who nursed him and really took care of him. That's why Lowell is the shortest of all his brothers. But he is very, very good. On top of that, he has a very high reach of music, so he could sing. And I'd like to say very well that you did good, brother. I'm very happy for you. I know a lot of our friends, maybe some of you are thinking that it's a big family that came to the United States. That's very true. But my brothers and all of my sisters who came, they worked hard. They worked hard for themselves. And you could tell that they really made it good. And I'm so proud of them. So, this night that we are celebrating Lowell's retirement, please just remember that you too will come, your time will come, I should say, that you can retire. I retired a long time ago. I've been jobless for the past 27 years. But never mind. I say that retirement is a very good thing. So it's something that you prepare for. And Lowell, you did very good. You did very well. I'm so proud of you. So enjoy the rest of the night. There's still plenty of food. There's still plenty of drinks. And there will be plenty of fun. Okay? And thank you all for coming.
Yay!
Just a kid when we were together, small. He was like this. I'm a little bit like this. And we were with my grandpa. My mom sent me to my grandpa to help farm the land. And we know about farming. We know about carpentry. We know about everything. Maybe we could put this wall here. because we learned it from the old guy. And Lowell, I noticed that he likes to enjoy and to learn a lot of things like guitar. He just learned how to play guitar last today. He was singing by himself and he doesn't know how to play guitar. He's out of timing. I teach him a while ago, and my God, I was really amazed. This guy is a professional. That's why I like this guy. You know, he's very what do you call this? He likes to be experienced, but not to be a professional. He just wants like that, like cooking. You know, he is in a hotel for a long time. I know him. But when he cooks steak, man, you could say that you rather tell him to go back to the hotel because that's his job.
Where is the opener?
And what I know about Lowell, he just like fun. That's why he retired early. He don't want to be 65 years old and going like this in a hotel. He just wants to be a normal guy like me. I retired at 62. I'm glad that I told the wife that he's retiring at 62. No. He cannot do that. He has about 3 more years. And I say, I don't know. He said so. That's why, you know, I like him because he likes my attitude. I like him too. You guys have fun in this night. We got about two more hours probably. And this neighborhood here will complain about the police because you are so noisy. But anyway, I'm glad that you are here and having fun with Lowell's retirement. Thank you again, and God bless every one of us. Thank you.
You're such a wonderful brother. I cannot say so much. I know being such a good brother, I always treasure that, and you know that from the bottom of my heart. Such a wonderful one. I love you, my brother.
Thank you, bro.
Not yet. I haven't sing my song yet. What are you talking about? See, that's what you have to deal with when you're a brother. But hey, such a brother like you, I treasure you. I see trees of rain, red roses too. I see them bloom for me and you, and I think to myself.
God bless you, Lowell. Enjoy your retirement. Yes.
How about Tito? Happy retirement, bro. Celebration of life in your career. And God bless you, bro. I love you, man. Thanks, Tito. Say happy anniversary. Happy retirement.
Happy retirement.
Happy Antimonan.